Chapter 8, Estimation. As you know, the goal of the most research is to find population parameters. Confidence intervals can be used to estimate population parameters such as means or proportions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SPSS to calculate confidence intervals around a sample mean or proportion. For example, if I want to investigate the ideal numbers of children for men and women in this database, which is this variable, and that's the labels, okay, I can use the procedure to figure out. To do that, we have to define these variables as a code 8 for missing values. So let's first define the variable properties. Move the mouse, go to the data menu, choose define variable properties, right click, let's find out the variable name, display, scroll down, yeah, this is a variable called the CHLDIDEL. This is the ideal number of children for men and women. Highlight, click this arrow, bring it to scans, variables to scan, then click continue. You notice in this windows we have several items, especially in this area. This is look like Excel. It's a table. We have change, the missings, count, values, and the labels. Make sure we put a check mark in the missing columns here, as many as you want, okay, and it's code value 8. The reason we do that because we want to include this missing values for this variable. Then click OK. So it's it defined that variable. Next, we're going to use the descriptive procedures to calculate the confidence intervals. So we go to the Analyze, choose Descriptive Statistics, then click Explore. Okay, so right click, display variable name. Let's find the variable name. Okay, CHLDIEL. Highlight, bring it to dependent variable list. Then remember we want to find ideal number of children for male and female, so we should find a variable called a gender or sex. Yeah, here, sex, S-E-X, sex. Highlight that one and then click this arrow, bring it to factor list. Okay, then we need make sure it is at the 99% confidence level. So we click Statistics button, and you see the default is 95%. So we want a 99%. So click here, change to 99. Click Continue. Then we want display only statistics. Okay, we do not want some chart, the chart. So we choose only statistics. Then click OK. Here we go. In this interval, in this output SPSS output file, we can see we have a 391 male responded these questions, 474 female responded these questions, This is the value, the percentage. Okay. And then look at this descriptive statistics. The ideal number for children for male, the mean is 2.56. For female is 2.52. It's just a slightly differences. This indicate that on average the ideal number of children is slightly greater for men than for its women. So let's look at the 99% interval, confidence interval. Okay. For male is 269 to upper bound is 269, lower bound is 2.43. For the female, it's 263 to 241 at 99% confidence interval. Which this interpretation showed us in 100 samples, each of size of 391 males from the U.S. adult population, we would expect the confidence interval to include true population value for the mean ideal number of children 99 times out of those 100. But still, our best estimate for the mean ideal number of children falls within the narrow range, only 2.6. So you can see this the range. For females, 99% of interval is almost the same as the male, varying from 2.63 to 2.4 and only 0.2 values. Okay, so that's the SPSS Explore procedure for estimations.